Hello, welcome to another video. I am now at Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Okay, this is the entrance. If you go there, it's a Hindhede Nature Park, another small nature park which is connected to Bukit Timah. Yep, this is the car park, and that is the entrance where we are going to go. We are going to go in there. Okay. There is someone bringing their Doberman dog for a walk. Okay. Okay, this is the map, and we are here. Alright, they show you the trail, the quarry, to all the way to Dairy Farm Road. Okay, this is the expressway. A detailed map is over here. Before you start up, you can come here to take a photograph. Okay, now I'm going to go inside. I'll bring you along. Okay, come. Okay, we have some friends over here. Okay, these are the Long Tailed Macaque Monkey. Okay, a very common monkey in Southeast Asia. I've seen in Malaysia, India, also Cambodia, Thailand. It's called the Long Tailed Macaque Monkey. There's one video where I spotted them on St. John's Island also. Oh, this is a very nice site for an opening ceremony for my trip to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. And all the people staying in these houses, they must be careful because anytime they can go in to snatch food. They must be extra cautious, or it's good if they keep a dog at home. The monkeys won't go in because they know if there's a dog inside, a guard dog inside. Okay, see you. Bye. Hello. Oh, they are quite fast. Not quite fast, actually, they are very fast. Okay, be careful. Do not approach them. Or if you got any bag in your hand, be careful. They might think that you got food inside. They will come just snatch it. And they will bring your bag somewhere far away. They will throw it away. So be careful, don't approach them. And they are very fierce, aggressive. They can scratch you. Okay, bye. Okay, let's go in now. Bukit Timah Visitor Center Summit. A message for bikers. Oh, no pets allowed. No entry for vehicles. Okay, because many people, they walk here, they come here for jogging, so they don't allow vehicles to come to avoid accident. Now, if you can see, the vegetation here is thick, similar to what I showed you in Macaque Reservoir Nature Park. Okay, monkeys, they love this kind of places. Monkeys, squirrel, wild boars, snakes, monitor lizards. I hope I can see another animal. Ah, a tail of two lizards. What do you have here? You got the clouded monitor and you got the Malayan water monitor. Actually, both of them are good swimmers. Same like pythons. Okay, we are now at the visitor center. It's just by the side on your way up. There's an exhibition hall. There's a place for you to buy refreshment. A forest guide. Oh, there's also this Malayan Kolugo. Yes, I've seen this. They look like a monkey, but they can flatten their body and they can stick onto the tree. Okay, a Kolugo. Okay, let's go. Okay, up here they show a history of this place from the 1840s all the way to 2016. There's a gallery inside. Okay, this is a taxidermy of a tiger. Taxidermy means it's a real tiger. After the tiger dies, what they'll do is they'll take out the skin and they'll mount it on a mold. They'll preserve the skin and make it stand like a statue. It's called a taxidermy, a preserved tiger. The skin of a real tiger. Now, from the way you look at it, you know, this tiger is very fierce. No wonder it can kill and eat human. We see this as an animal, but a tiger, it will see you as a food, as a prey to eat, as a meal. Okay, that's why it's called a wild animal. Okay, the biggest member of the cat family. Okay, there's a taxidermy of a monitor lizard. Taxidermy of an anteater. They got also history of other nature parks in Singapore. Okay, like I made a video on Springleaf. Also, I made a video on Bukit Batok Nature Park. Let's see what else they have in this gallery. Okay, they talk about trees also. Oh, this is quite big. Must be a fully grown adult one. Okay, the biggest member of the cat family, the tiger. Okay, now let's go. Okay, I'm now walking. I'm on my way up. And there are tall trees here. Oh, I can hear sounds of birds and insects. I'm walking up the trail now. As you go along, there are many boards like this. They explain the trees. They explain about the plants here, which you can find in Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. There you see a leaf litter plant. Now there's a fallen tree here. This is quite a big tree. It must have broken off during a thunderstorm or a heavy rain. Wow. You see the tree, the length is very, very long and very thick. Oh, this is quite a way up. Like what I said just now, there are also squirrels here. Very common in Singapore. Oh, the smell of nature. The smell of the trees, plants, the smell of the soil. Great. Okay, look at the tree, the height of the tree. Oh my god, that's quite huge. A good exercise for monkeys. Now, as you go higher, they got places for you to sit, like this shade here and a bench. Another map showing you where you are and the continuing trail, where does it goes. Steep slope, do not run down. I've seen people falling before, just be careful. Do not run down this slope. And they got wooden railing here to prevent people from falling down. Okay, you can fall down all the way down. You will roll all the way down. You know, in India, I tripped and fell and I went all the way down before. That was even more steep than this, so just be careful. I have fallen down before, that's why safety is more important. Okay, a great way to train your stamina if you jog or walk all the way up. I can hear sounds of insects. Can you also hear them? Okay, I would like to tell another thing to you. Okay, can you see this hole here? Okay, this is a place where snakes, they hide. Snakes, they hide in this kind of places, this hole. We can see from outside, but we don't know how big is it inside and how many eggs the snake laid there, how many hatchlings of the snakes are there. We don't know. There may be a snake inside here. This is where they love to hide. They come out during rainy days. Fallen logs. These are fallen tree trunks. Fallen logs can be used as a barrier. You can also use for a chair, as a chair. People used to sit here and put a campfire in forested areas. If we see in movies, but I don't put a forest fire here, it's against the law. Oh, I see another big log over there. Okay, this is another place for snakes to hide. Okay, if you go down here, you'll come to the water catchment part. Okay, okay, another place to rest. Okay, there are two paths going up. One is to the quarry, and there's a water catchment area below, and to the summit, to the top of Bukit Timah Nature Reserve hill. It's about another half a kilometer. Do not feed the monkey. Now this is called the bracket fungi. Okay, it's called a bracket fungi. Let's go. Getting close to the summit, meaning the top of the hill, the peak of the hill. Oh, all the way there, inside, all the way up. Ah, there's a bench here. Okay, if you see here, there's a turning. If you go down the staircase, you'll come to another nature park. It's called Dairy Farm Nature Park. Another 850 meters. And this is back down from the way that I came up. And go straight up is the summit. Yes, finally, I came to the summit. There's some history about Bukit Timah Hill, roads leading to Bukit Timah, the bungalow, an old Bukit Timah bungalow. This is a antique photo taken in the year 1843. Oh, that was before my great grandfather was born. There's a tower here, some signal tower. A place to sit. Okay, we have come to the summit, a height of 163.63 meter. They also got the latitude and longitude. Another tower. A nice butterfly. Hello. Okay, they have another map here. Now I am here at the summit. Just now I was somewhere down here. Okay, if you want to go to dairy farm, there's a connection here. Oh, there's another along the way. Remember I showed you Hindhede Nature Park. Okay, there are two turns at the entry. One is we came up the Bukit Timah. The other one is if you turn left, you'll come to the remember near the car park, the Hindhede Nature Park. You can turn left and go there also. Okay. All right. I came here a few years ago. Oh, yeah, I'm coming back here after a long time. The first time I came here was during my secondary school days, which was more than 30 years ago. It was during an NCC. Okay, I was in the NCC uniform group, and we came here for a hike. Now I'm here again today. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Till we meet again.